One bright morning, deep within the verdant jungle, Elephant's mighty trunk filled with an immense sneeze. With a resounding achoo, Elephant's sneeze sent Monkey's hat flying high into the morning sky. You see, our fine monkey had just picked that hat, an enchanting woven cap, leafy palms, his favorite indeed. Seeing his beloved hat take flight, Monkey swung after it at full speed, inadvertently grabbing onto Snake, mistaking him for a vine. The jungle erupted into a tsunami of laughter as Monkey hung onto Snake, who let out a surprised hiss, causing Parrot to squawk and flap his vibrant wings. All this commotion, this bustle and hustle, startled even the stoic lion, who lazily stated, "Let's just take a quick break, everyone." Giraffe, the tallest among them, watched this series of hilarious misunderstandings unfold with twinkling eyes. With a calm, hearty chuckle, he reminded them all, "The jungle is,